Milwaukee North train number 2131 to Fox Lake is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line. Milwaukee North train number 2131 to Fox Lake is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line.
Yes! I knew it! Sorry for the screaming. I'll be working there for one day. Or maybe I should say, I'll be working for this company one day. Like being a conductor, collecting tickets of fares, or drive a train. I know how to apply for that. Oh. Nice hat. Did you get this for Christmas? Yep. Train's going to the yard for the night.
I know you from church, right? You go to St. Bede's?
What?
Do you go to St. Bede's?
No.
Oh.
Sorry, there's a lady talking to me. I don't know. I don't remember that. I don't exactly remember that. Hopefully, I had a wonderful New Year. I don't go to church too often anymore. Because now with this COVID thing, it's just they're so strict on COVID stuff. Stay off the tracks, kids. Damn it! You didn't pay attention to me. Well, we gotta do it anyways. Hopefully you had a wonderful new year. Worst case scenario always happens. Alright, bro. Oh, we had a new year, guys. Well, we're fans, this is your New Year's treat of the 2022. This is gonna be the final video for the year. Hopefully, I will fans some more on maybe on springtime. Okay, so don't be asking me to more this year. Okay, I'll try to be a little bit more motivated for this year. Okay.